A lot of people love dry shampoo, but its safety is being questioned yet again.
The concern, high levels of benzene, a cancer-causing chemical.
Unilever voluntarily pulling 19 dry shampoos because of concerns about elevated levels of the potentially cancer-causing ingredient benzene. Take a look at this list. It includes very popular big brands like Dove, Nexxus, Suave, Tresemme, Bedhead.
If you need a replacement dry shampoo, try Morrocco Method's Volcanic Ash Dry Shampoo. With ingredients like bentonite clay, aloe vera, and prickly pear powder, it gently absorbs excess oils and impurities while still protecting your scalp's natural oils. It also delivers essential vitamins and antioxidants to seal in moisture, fight breakouts, and balance pH levels to keep your hair shiny and healthy. We also use an easy application bottle to sprinkle it evenly through your hair and scalp. We don't use aerosol cans, so together we can avoid the possible toxins that the big companies don't care to avoid. Let's stick together and educate each other on these risks. Morrocco Method is proud to be a trusted, zero toxin, all natural brand. Let's keep each other safe.